Are you hoping to get on the property ladder? Here's 5 tips and tricks to keep in mind now for the future. 1. Get your finances in order as early as possible. Okay, so you know you want to start moving towards buying your first home. Even if it seems like a far off dream, the reality is you'll probably need to start the groundwork now if you want to buy in the next 3, 5 or even 10 years. As well as a deposit, you'll also need a steady income and a decent credit score at the point of applying for a mortgage. Lenders typically look at the last 6 years of your credit history, and while your credit score doesn't necessarily need to be excellent to secure a mortgage, the more good money habits you can show, the better. For example, make sure you're registered on the electoral roll, keep up with all your monthly direct debits, and show you can responsibly use and pay back any credit available to you. 2. Get help with saving. When it comes to your deposit, it's recommended that you save 10% of the property's value. Luckily, there's help available for first-time buyers. For example, opening a lifetime ISA allows you to save up to £4,000 a year for your first home, with the government adding a 25% bonus onto whatever you save. The First Homes, Mortgage Guarantee and Help to Build schemes can also make the process a whole lot more affordable. Everyone's situation is different though, so take a good look at what could work for you. 3. Don't forget about the fees. While we're on the subject of money, remember that the deposit isn't the only thing you'll need to save for. Solicitor fees, surveys and mortgage application fees are just some of the things you need to think about. These add up quickly and will need to be paid before you can get your hands on the keys, so get ahead and factor these into your savings plan to avoid any unexpected bumps further down the road. 4. Keep an eye on the housing market. We're not suggesting you become an expert in interest rates, but it is a good idea to keep tabs on house prices, mortgage rates and any new government schemes. By the time you're ready to start viewing properties, you'll have a good idea of how much you should be paying and how much you can expect your monthly payments to be. And 5. Don't go it alone. Getting onto the property ladder is hard, but no one has to do it alone. There's lots of free advice online. Martin Lewis, Poku Banks and Pennies to Pounds will be your best friends for this. But you can also book a mortgage appointment with an advisor to talk over your situation in more detail. Are you hoping to get onto the property ladder? Let us know what tips and tricks you'll be using.